Charlotte, what you doing for Valentine's Day?
I'm gonna hang out with Oliver Benson.
Rock on.
That's my cat, by the way.
Perfect.
But when I'm done hanging out with Oliver, I'm gonna use this Rose Hydrosol bath.
Yeah, this bath is really relaxing. It's moisturizing to your skin and it smells so good. It's so luxurious. It's like perfect way for some self-love on Valentine's Day. So for this recipe, you'll need a tablespoon of Rose Hydrosol and a cup of Epsom salt. And you're gonna add them right to the bath as it is filling.
Perfect.
So, woo.
Ta-da! Ooh, it smells really, really good.
Yeah, so in your bath, the salt will evaporate, or not evaporate, dissolve.
Yeah, it's
so,
dissolving.
So in your bath, the salt will dissolve, and that Epsom salt is really helpful for its natural detox. It supports your skin doing that.
Inflammation too.
Yep, it helps with circulation, and it's really good if you have any aches and pains. It will help soothe that too.
Perfect. Smells really, really, really good.
If you want to make this recipe ahead of time, you can put it in a sealable container and store it for 5 days.
You can also use some rose petals. We have some here kind of hanging out.
To add some glamour.
Yeah.
And if you make it ahead of time, make sure you label it. Hi, I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists for Simply Earth. We love using essential oils and essential oil products like Rose Hydrosol to make our homes toxin-free.
We just made a Rose Hydrosol bath, and you can check out more recipes just like this at simplyearth.com. Make sure while you're on our website to check out our blog.
Thanks for watching.